Good afternoon, everyone. This is my basic of instructional Islamic. Concept of instructional Islamic. Concept of instructional planning under this three classification are long array, long range planning, unit planning, system planning. Ito po yung tatlong pagpaplano ng classification.
Ikot mo siya, friend.
Long range planning, start course group to be the most challenging for beginning teachers. Especially this involves planning for the whole year. This point is important for teachers to do curriculum, mapping the process of determining when you will teach each topic or session. Ito yung pinaka mahihirapan yung mga baguhang mga guro sa ganitong pagpagplano. Kaya yun ang kailangan nila gumawa ng curriculum guide para ma-proseso nila yung pagtukoy kung kaya nila may tuturo yung bawat paksa. Long range planning. Utilizing the curriculum guide, textbooks and other available resources. It is imperative to ask ourselves how best to divide some top topics and standards into quarters and our semester. Which lesson should be a more time and emphasis? How could social studies be integrated with other subjects or with holidays and celebrations throughout the school year? Pondering on this question before the start of the school year is an important step for teachers to be informed. Yung make-up sa curriculum, aralan na iba pang kailangan ito gamit ng yung curriculum gamit ng curriculum ay paano hati-hati yung sa standard din. Standard. Parang isang po ng program. The current curriculum guide for every grade level already divided the content of our quarters which are revolving around a specific theme. While this in planning the curriculum, it is important to note that curriculum guides exist as indicates students have different diverse needs which course ultimately considered in curriculum effective unit planning. Major division of the year-long plan, it is a cluster or related lessons organized around a central topic, theme issue, or problem and logical sequence. sa galing sa sentral na sa tema problema at sa unit planning while the quarter follows chronological progression it is necessary to come up with smaller units since each subdivision revolves around different themes and issues while the existing curriculum is already divided into units. Teachers should practice good decisions making in developing and organizing units. Planning ngayon ito sa target. Document the digging into about the following elements of process. Entitled develop an idea or topic for study and translate it into a clear statement of your theme or problem. So time requirement determine approximately how much time will be spent in the unit. Sa pangalawa, kinakailangan ng oras. So, tukoy ng higit mo lang kung gaano maraming sa tungkol sa community. With list of topics, brainstorm and list the big idea or theme or the unit into a more specific idea. So, topics. Students indicate for which group of students or grade levels they need to take the subject and the planning by allowing them to identify the difference of interest to them. Ito na construct a brief overview of what they need about why it's important to learn it. Lang po.